Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the HDO Box app to your Firestick in 2025. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And firstly, you gotta get the app code downloader to your Firestick. You can get downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, we'll go to search. Here it is, open it. And now open the search bar and start typing downloader here. And as you can see, for me, downloader has already popped out at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. Just click on downloader, and here's the app, which you need to get to your device. But after you got downloader, it is not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up downloader, let's go to the settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go into My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Sticks, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, for me at the bottom it said no need, you are already a developer. That is in my case, and in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will then finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging. After that, go into install unknown apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate downloader, here it is, and turn the option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we just go back to a list of apps on the Fire Stick. Let's open it, wait a moment for it to load, and here's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Spain right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in the description of this video, then you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we just go back to the list of apps on your device, open it, and let's head for the downloader now. So open it up, and here in the search bar, you will have to enter a code to download the HDO box on your Firestick. The code is going to be 863280. So once again, 863280. That's the code you have to enter. So make sure to enter it just like you see, and then click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your internet connection speed. And then click install and make sure that the app also gets properly installed to the Fire TV. After that, do not click on open yet. Instead, press on done, as this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore to your Firestick. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your device. And now let's go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick. Here it is. Let me open it. Wait a moment for it to load properly. And then here at the bottom you will be able to locate the HDO box. Now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Just click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be way easier for you to access this app every time you need it. Just do not forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use the link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing deal. And now let's go and open up the HDO box. And when you open it, it might ask you to update and show you such a screen. So click on settings here, click on install unknown apps, locate HDO box, turn this option on. It is needed so the HDO box would be able to update itself, and then just go back to the HDO box application. Then just click on install and wait for the installation of the updated version of the app to get finished. Then click done and reopen the app one more time. And now finally you get access to loads of movies and TV shows. Well, you probably already know what the HDO box is and what you can use it for. I just had to blur out my screen here because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact movies and TV shows available here. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.